So let me just show you guys what I've been working on, and then maybe you guys can start thinking about implementing it into your businesses as well. This actually works for auto insurance, Medicare, home services, like pretty much anything at this point. So the first thing that I'm going to present is the topic of today, which is the chatbot that I managed to put together. Now, this chatbot, basically, you can send in a question into the chatbot, and it will literally answer the question while at the same time converting the individual into making a phone call, right? And I've had it active for like several days now, and I've seen people go through a full length conversation, and then people end up making the phone call, right? And then if they're not able to reach the line, the bot is like, look, like the person complains to the bot is like, hey, I wasn't able to get through, and the bot's like, well, maybe you should try again, right? So it's really cool seeing this in action, where the AI is basically convincing the person to make the phone call, right? So I'm going to present to you like the first step in this thing, and then we're going to work backwards into understanding how do we make this all work together, right? So the first step is the chatbot itself. So let me just show you guys the chatbot itself. It's very simple. If you ever built a chatbot, it's very simple. It's almost like ChatGPT. So I basically added the chatbot to every single one of my landers. Now the landers themselves, they convert, they don't convert, it doesn't matter. The main thing is that now, whenever somebody lands, the page becomes dynamic, because now you can engage with it, as opposed to just kind of scrolling through. There's something you like, you don't like, and then you just leave from there. In this case, you land on the lander, and then right away, boom, you're engaged with a chatbot. Now this is also mobile optimized, so if I convert this into a mobile page, right? I just refresh. Now we're in mobile view. We can see that the chatbot is visible like right away, right at the very top, right? So I decided to just skip whatever the landing page was. I actually don't want people engaging with the landing page. I just want them engaging with the chatbot itself, right? So they land, and then here's the query: locksmith, hey there. So it sounds like you're looking for some help with lock issues in Birmingham. Are you currently locked out of your place, or are you looking to get some locks installed? Actually, I can't get into the trunk of my car, right? So you start engaging with it, and he starts thinking, right? And then it starts engaging you, like very casually, very nonchalantly. That's usually kind of annoying, especially when your groceries or tools are stuck in there. Now, what you're seeing is the chat. It looks like the person is typing, right? So this is an effect that I actually added. The queries come back pretty much instantaneously, but it makes it look like the chatbot is actually chatting with you, right? Are you currently located in Birmingham or nearby? So it's also absorbing my actual location, right? So in this case, the location is locksmith slash Alabama slash Birmingham. So it's injecting it from the URL. But if I don't have the location in the URL address itself, then it will actually just detect where I am, right? So in this case, if I refresh it, it will actually say Brazil. So I'll do that in a moment. But are you located in Birmingham or nearby? I'm actually in Los Angeles, California, right? So let's say it detects the wrong location, or for whatever reason, the person lands on the page and they're completely out of the city, right? So the bot is, no matter what, it's still going to tell you like, oh, no problem. We can still totally help you, right? Like this is not a freaking problem. So no problem at all. We can still help you out in Los Angeles. I can get someone dispatched to your location to get today to get that trunk open for you, right? And then it's basically going to throw in a phone number. What's the zip code where you're parked, so I can see how quickly we can get a tech to you, right? So it's still trying to like kind of build the trust factor to assess, to indicate like, oh, actually we do have service there, right? So I actually don't know a location and zip code in Los Angeles. I'm just going to assume like 90210, right? And the AI just knows. Like the AI is able to do a lookup very quickly to understand that 90210 is probably not in Los Angeles. I can get someone out in 90210 today to get that trunk open, and then it's going to throw me the phone number, right? Since you're stuck right now, it's best to handle this over the phone so we can dispatch a tech immediately. So it's convincing me. It's convincing me to make the call. Give us a call right now at, and then boom, the phone number, right? And the phone number is like Alex already knows, it gets injected using the ring pool, right? So whatever phone number that I have in my ring pool, it gets injected into there. And then I can actually just continue chatting with it. It's for a BMW CLS 2001. I don't know anything about BMWs, but I'm just like indicating it's a BMW CLS 2001. And I'm just curious, like it's gonna understand. Oh, those older BMWs can be tricky with their security systems, but I can definitely get a specialist out there who knows exactly how to handle it, right? So no matter what additional information you're going to give it, it's still going to be like, okay, I understand, that's totally fine, but go ahead and make that call, right? Make that call because ultimately that's the whole purpose of our chatbot. So are you currently with a car, or are you waiting uh, somewhere nearby? I'm parked. Please, and then I'm parked. I just tried to call. No one answered. Right. So you're still engaging with it. And no matter what, it will still try to convince me to make the call. It's kind of funny. Like, this is what I'm giving you right now is an actual example of what I saw in my conversation logs from someone else who called in. Right. So someone else went through my chatbot and they were like having this literal conversation where they called in, they explained their car. The AI was like, okay, I understand you have an old car. It's best not to just, mess around with it. Go ahead and call in again. Right. And the person called in, tried to call in. Looks like we have some coding issues we got to fix here. So I got to fix that coding problem there, but not a problem. I'll stay right here with you. Did the call go to voicemail or keep ringing? And you can continue chatting with the chatbot. Obviously, it's continuously going to tell you just like, call in. I understand the problem. I understand what you're dealing with. It's an issue. Call in, right? That's the main thing.